Alright, so we'll shoot some different types of ammo through a couple of these various Night Special Ring of Fire J22s. Well, we're shooting the Night Special Postal Match, so I've got some targets set up there, like 7 yards or so. And one gun I really hate is this Lorcin. I do not like the looks of it, I do not like the company, I don't like anything about this one. So let's try this one out. Now, I'd never shot this one, so I have no idea if it even works. Let's find out. And I'm going to be shooting CCI AR Tactical. So this is the stuff designed for the AR22 rifles. And I only have the one magazine for this dumb gun, so I'll have to just load 5 and reload each time. Okay, we'll start at the top left there. Ow. Alright, so that was failure to feed, but not too bad. Same thing, I just think this needs some, this thing probably just needs some oil. Alright, one single bullet by itself in the mag, didn't seem to feed real well. I'll try that again. Like most guns, if you don't baby it, it'll go right in. Alright, that's 5. Ow, on the first one. That brass is hot coming out of that thing. Alright, let's load this thing up. 5 more rounds of the CCI AR22 bulk. Well, I don't know what's going on there, but I am not hitting the target. I don't know why that is. Still pointing at it. Very odd. I don't know what happened with that one, but don't think I'll be winning the postal match with this one. Alright, target on the left, bottom left. Interesting. I don't know what's going on with this gun. Wow, I hope my skill isn't that bad, but somehow I completely missed the target with this Lorcin. So, there you go. Suck it, Lorcin. I hate these guns. Stupid gun.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.